Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can use the added song trigger in Geometry Dash. Of course, the first thing that I'm going to do is to import the song trigger onto my level right here. So I'll click on this specific category. Inside, let's then look for the added song. It's going to be this one. And to use this, you can then click on the Added Objects option. From here, you have the ability to edit out its properties. For example, if you want to edit your song's speed, duration, volume, stop loop, and more, you can simply do so. But of course, before you use this, you must have a song itself. To do this, you want to edit the song from the level, or you can use a song trigger. Click Edit Objects. From here, you can then select your song. And basically, once the song is playing, you can edit out your song by adding an edit song trigger or an edit song property. So once again, to edit it out, just click on it. From here, click Edit Objects, and then you can edit your song by once again changing this properties. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.